ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय। See, today we are making pav bhaji. It's very much Bombay stuff. Okay, when people come to Bombay, they always want to have pav bhaji. Pav is bread, and bhaji is the vegetable that we will be making, which is served with the bread. And you'll say, how come bread is sattvic? I know this question will come. Bread is not sattvic, so that is why the title is My Sattvic Food and More. So in the more is the bread. Okay, so you can eat. I suppose I do. So whoever wants to eat the bread can eat it. So now I will first show you all the ingredients. What goes into this? We've kept everything ready so you can have a look. Now see, we have taken 4 tomatoes which are grated. Okay, grated 4 tomatoes. Then 4 boiled potatoes, boiled and mashed. Okay, these are all the mixed vegetables. What are the vegetables in this? Capsicum, carrot, French beans, cauliflower, peas. That's about it. So all these vegetables you have to take little. The quantity is, this potato is maximum, tomato is equal quantity, 4:4. Okay, and the vegetables will be less in quantity. Just little bit you can take, And then what are the ingredients? This is hari mirchi, coriander, green chilies chopped, coriander. This is Kashmiri chili powder, which is not spicy. It's just for the color. Turmeric, then coriander powder, dhania powder. This is jeera powder. This is the chili which is spicy. Then this is pav bhaji masala. This is pav bhaji masala. This is garam masala. Then you need nimbu. Okay, so this is all over here, and there is butter there, which we need butter and oil both to cook this. Okay, so now we are going to start cooking, and I'll show you. It's very delicious, and you can have it with bread. And how do you have it with bread? That I'll show you. We have to kind of fry the bread, saute it on a pan, which I'll show you later once the sabzi is ready. Now, first let's switch on the gas. Then you put oil. I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of oil. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Lots of butter goes in this. Melt the butter so that it's fine. Once this heats up, you see, with the oil you have to put butter. If you put butter separately, it will burn, and that's why butter and oil together, so that the butter doesn't burn. Once this heats up, then I'm putting some chilies, the chopped chilies. Take it away. Then you drop all your tomatoes. And now you have to go on sauteing this. Go on stirring till it really cooks. It takes time. Till the tomato is not cooked properly, you can't go further. Now see, I had covered it with the lid. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes for the oil to separate, from the tomatoes. So now it is done. So you have to cover it on slow flame with a lid till the tomatoes are really cooked. And then what you do is put all your masalas first. So I'm taking haldi. Put a little haldi. Then I'm putting the Kashmiri chili powder. It's just for color. It's not spicy. And that's why I'm putting more. I want the color. Then you take dhania powder, coriander powder, and put lots of it. 1, 2, and this would be 3. Then you put a little bit of garam masala. I've taken a little bit, put it. That's it. Then take the pav bhaji masala. Now this you need lots. So I'm putting the whole thing. Must be 3 teaspoons. And then I'm putting the chili powder. Now this is spicy, so don't put too much. Just half a teaspoon. Then put zeera powder. Okay. And if you need more pav bhaji masala, you can always add later. Then stir. It's on slow flame. Now I'm putting it on high. And I will mix everything, just cook all the masalas a little bit and then put salt. Then stir again. I'm not speeding it up. I've seen other people's cooking channels. What they do is they fast forward everything. I don't like to do that. I want to show the entire method, so you people can pick up. That's why I'm doing it slowly, slowly. I hope you understand. Then take all your veggies. All the boiled vegetables, which we have done in the cooker. Throw it in. And mix. It's on high flame. Mix it nicely. It's quite simple. You have to just keep everything ready. That's the bottom line, which I'm always saying. Mash up all the vegetables together so that you don't have to do it later. We have to mash once we put the potatoes. So I've got the masher here, which I'll show you. First go on mixing nicely. If you know the method properly, then it will turn out well. Go on stirring. इसको भूनना है. जितना भूनोगे उतना स्वाद आएगा. भूनते जाओ, भूनते जाओ, भूनते जाओ. If you see all these people in Mumbai, Bombay, near the beach and all that, they sell pav bhaji. It's so yummy, I can't tell you. I don't go out to eat, so I make it at home. But the way they have such a big tawa, huge tawa, and it's so thick. And then they put the pav bhaji. They go on adding butter. You should see how they move their hands and everything. And they go on slashing tomato, grated tomatoes, all the masalas. They go on throwing like that. And all the vegetables and everything. And then they go on bhunna karte rehte wo log. Itna swad hota hai, So that's what we don't have that kind of tawa, the professional tawa. So we are doing it at home. So you have to do it this way. Now once I've done this, I will add the potatoes. So these are 4 boiled potatoes. If you have taken 4 tomatoes, you take 4 potatoes. And mix. Mix it nicely. This is the regular pav bhaji that I'm showing you. There is something like a green pav bhaji, which is very famous in Gujarat. That I will show you in one of my future episodes. It's all green and the ingredients are a little different. And that's also very delicious. It's made in Gujarat, especially Jamnagar and Surat, those kind of places. It's yummy. And it's very healthy because it's got palak and it's got all these kind of different veggies. That I'll show you in the future, if you like it. Now, once you do this, then you take your masher, because you don't want lumps anywhere. So mash it nicely. Go on mashing. So it becomes lumpy, you know. Then you take a lot of kothmeer, hara dhania, coriander, throw it in. Now it's spluttering. So what I'm going to do, it needs a little bit of water. So you keep your water warm and nice. Warm water, not cold water. Okay? So I've kept it ready. So just throw in water. Don't make it too thin, not liquidy. It's a thick pulp. And this will soak up, the potato will soak up all the water. See, it looks so yummy. And go on stirring. इसमें मेन चीज भूनना है. जो भी सब्जी आप बनाओ उसको अच्छे से भूनो नहीं. इवन रनो खिचड़ी, if you don't bhuno all your vegetables first before making the khichdi, it won't taste good. You know that roasted thing that you bhuno on the gas always tastes very good. Now I want more dhania. Lots of dhania I put. Very finely chopped dhania. When you boil the vegetables in the cooker, put a little water and boil, okay? There has to be water in the cooker and water in the dabba where you have all the veggies. Little bit of water. Spluttering on my hand, it's burning. Go on bhunoing. Now once it's done, I'll show you. See? What do you do after this? You take a lump of butter. Yeah, you need a lot of butter. Throw it in. You can take as much as you want. It's very buttery and nice. And then lastly, when you serve, you squeeze lime and then serve. So now this is the bhaji. I'll show you how to make the bread. Put the pan on the gas and heat it nicely. Now the pan is hot, okay? And this is cooking on the side. Then what I have made a mixture of butter, hara dhania and pav bhaji powder. I've mixed all the three. You slap it up on your bread like this. I'm making one bread and showing you. Just slap it up. You know, it's got butter and everything. Then you stick it here and slap it on top also. So it's yummy. It's very tasty bread. Taveto. You need a taveta to press it down. Press it down like this. You know, it's cooking. If the tawa is not hot, then it won't happen quickly. Press it down. So it becomes nice and crispy. See? On high flame. This is the pav. They call it pav. Pav bhaji ka pav. Bread, you know, like bun bread. Now what do? Switch it off because I'm showing you only one. Now, how do you serve? Take a plate Put your bhaji in the plate. Stir it. Put a lump here. Your bhaji. And then you take this nice warm bread, put it like this and serve. See, it looks so nice and yummy. So try it. Tell me how you like it. It's Bombay Pav Bhaji, very famous in Bombay. So that's all for today, and I shall see you next time with some other recipe. And please comment, subscribe the people who haven't. I really don't understand whether you like it or not, because right now very few people are even looking at it, and they are mostly giving comments on Facebook. I'm flooded over there. I really want the comments on YouTube, Please encourage me. I love cooking. I enjoy feeding people. I'm feeding Ma all the time. So it's just that, my bhav is that कि माँ को सब कुछ अर्पण है. ठीक है. जय माँ. ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे. ओम शांति शांति शांति. बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की
जय.
आज की पाव भाजी
बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया. सिर्फ बढ़िया नहीं भारती, बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया.
जय माँ.